Welcome back, football fans. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the transformation of the iconic Spotify Camp Nou. It's not just any renovation, it's a project that's got the whole football world buzzing. Who would have thought stadium upgrades could be so cool and stylish? Now picture this, a skywalk with a breathtaking bird's-eye view of the stadium. Yes, you heard that right. The anticipation is soaring, and fans can't wait to see what's in store. So, let's explore why this renovation is such a big deal and what we can look forward to. Welcome to the iconic Camp Nou, a stadium that has been the beating heart of FC Barcelona since its grand opening on September 24, 1957. This monumental structure was built to replace the old Les Corts Stadium, which just couldn't keep up with the growing number of Barca fans. The name Camp Nou, meaning new field in Catalan, perfectly captured the spirit of the new beginning for the club. The original design featured two tiers of stands, allowing around 93,000 fans to watch their beloved team. But as the years passed and the club's popularity soared, changes were inevitable. Ahead of the 1982 FIFA World Cup, Spain's hosting duties brought about major renovations. A third tier was added, boosting capacity and giving fans an even better view of the action on the pitch. The early 90s saw another wave of modernization. The lower ring was completely rebuilt, and the pitch was lowered by 2.5 meters, significantly improving sightlines for everyone in attendance. Safety standards were also upgraded, with standing areas replaced by seating to comply with new regulations. These updates not only made the stadium safer, but also set the stage for Camp Nou to host world-class events, from European Cup finals to concerts by music legends. Today, Camp Nou is a colossal venue with a capacity of 99,354, making it the largest stadium in Europe and one of the most renowned football arenas globally. It's more than just a stadium. It's a symbol of FC Barcelona's rich heritage and global fan base. The electrifying atmosphere here has witnessed countless unforgettable moments, including numerous La Liga and Champions League victories. As FC Barcelona gears up to celebrate its 125th anniversary, exciting changes are on the horizon. The stadium is set for a grand reopening as the Spotify Camp Nou, part of the ambitious FC Barça project. This transformation will see the stadium expanded to host over 105,000 fans with state-of-the-art facilities, improved accessibility, and sustainable energy solutions. Fans can also look forward to a new museum, club shop, and enhanced VIP and hospitality areas, all designed to elevate the matchday experience. But with all these changes, one big question lingers. Will the new Spotify Camp Nou live up to the legendary status of its predecessor? As the club's management, architects, and engineers work to blend tradition with innovation, the world is watching closely. This is more than just a renovation. It's about preserving the legacy of one of football's greatest temples while looking forward to an exciting future. Now let's officially rename the stadium to Spotify Camp Nou on September 1st, 2022. But the vision for this upgrade goes even further back. In 2007, a contest was held to choose the architectural concept for the expansion, and the renowned firm Foster Plus Partners won the competition. Unfortunately, the global financial crisis put a halt to those plans. Fast forward to 2014, and FC Barcelona members voted in a referendum in favor of the FC Barça project to refine the concept for the stadium's upgrade. This time, the winning design came from Nikin Seki and Joan Pascual, Ramon Aucio Arquitectes, with the final design crafted by architects from IDOM, B720, and Nikin Seki. It's been a long journey full of twists and turns, but the dream of transforming Camp Nou into a state-of-the-art venue is finally becoming a reality. The first big step was the demolition of a section of the stand behind the south gate. This involved removing elements from the back of this stand and dismantling into play. It all started with taking down the scoreboard and removing 3,982 seats. Most of these were held by pass holders, who were given the option to move to similar areas elsewhere in the stadium or defer their payments temporarily. This demolition work was a key priority because it's where all the new technological connections will be set up. By starting this part of the project early, they're saving time for the main construction phase. Now, while all this work is going on, FC Barcelona will temporarily move their home games to the Estadi Olímpic Lluís Companys, which is about 4 kilometers southeast of Camp Nou. This temporary venue holds fewer spectators, just under $56,000, so unfortunately, many pass holders will have to cancel their season tickets. But don't worry, the excitement is still sky high as we all look forward to the grand reopening of the new Spotify Camp Nou. Elena Fort, the institutional vice president of FC Barcelona, recently revealed that they're in the final stages of planning an incredible skywalk. Imagine walking on the roof of the stadium, taking in a breathtaking bird's-eye view of the entire city and the iconic Camp Nou itself. It's already got the green light from the firefighters, but there's a bit of a wait. This amazing feature won't open until the roof is fully installed in 2026. But that's not all. The renovation work is in full swing. Michens, Josep Soteras, and Lorenzo Garcia Barbon. The Espai Barça project is moving along smoothly, with the third-tier pillars and two-tier VIP areas becoming more visible each week. To give you an idea of the scale, they've demolished 73,500 cubic. The iconic 1957 pad remains at the heart of the renovation, soon to be surrounded by a new tier structure. Everything is right on schedule, and soon, ground-level slabs will be put in place for fans to walk into the revamped FC Barcelona temple. Repairs to the first and second tiers are over 70% complete, with inner partition walls already ready for its big December unveiling, just in time for the club's 125th anniversary celebration. So, stay tuned for more updates and get ready for the new era of Spotify Camp Nou. Originally, the plan was to have everything ready for the start of the 2025-26 season. But guess what? The work is actually ahead of schedule. FC Barcelona president Joan Laporta recently confirmed that everything is on track for a December unveiling, just in time to celebrate the club's 125th anniversary. The first phase of construction is in tiers open. In a unique move, Barcelona has even asked UEFA for special permission to split their home matches between the Estadi Olímpic Lluís Companys and the partially reopened Camp Nou. This request is a bit unconventional, as UEFA usually requires teams to play all their home games at a single venue. However, this shows Barca's commitment to both maintaining their sporting excellence and celebrating this major milestone. So, get ready for a historic season as the iconic Camp Nou gets a fresh new look while keeping its legendary spirit alive. And that's a wrap on the latest updates from the incredible transformation of Spotify Camp Nou. From innovative new features to exciting renovations and all the buzz around FC Barcelona's 125th anniversary, there's so much to look forward to. Whether you're a die-hard Barca fan or just love the sport, these changes are sure to make history. So, what do you think about the new Spotify Camp Nou? Do you think it will meet the high expectations? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, thanks for watching.